Did you spook them by moving too fast?
Oops. Knocked down. Oh, Cardinal, can you get him?
Where is he?
Right here at the bottom. Now he's walking toward the house now. He's almost under.
Yeah, it's too close.
He'll come back out.
Yeah, they all really perked up here lately. Maybe this snow's
Here
gonna
he comes.
last.
Here he comes. He's out.
No females though, huh?
I don't see any. They don't always come together.
No blue jays lately. Guess it got too cold for them. The wren, is the wren there anywhere? I don't see it. No.
No. Oh, there's a chickadee. Oh, there goes a chickadee.
Oh, there he is, back on the big feeder, seed feeder. He left. They're too fast. Okay, enough of this.
It's cold. They want to grab the food and go. There's the big cardinal. Well, now everybody left. What the heck?
Okay.
Got scared.
Tons of birds out there and lots of wind. I already ate the seed out of most of that feeder. And I think this one might be a little light. Yeah, you got one. At least the wind calmed down. Huh. You better not. Stay away from that big bird. The other two left. But that one's a little braver.
That one's hungrier.
Okay, you do that. You take a nap right there. I have something I haven't seen in a long time. Let me guess, spring turkey season is coming, so the game commission put out something so people got something to kill. Well, at least I get to enjoy them for a little while. Where'd he go? Oh, there he go. Or is that more? Wild and domestic, all over the place. Okay, back to making supper. What might they be waiting for? Corn? Bella gave us 8 eggs yesterday. I ate 3 of them. Really, really good. Nothing like a fresh egg. Thank you, ladies. Appreciate it. Try not to tear the yard up so much, though. You are a bit aggressive. Okay, go about your day. There's a deer laying up there. Didn't quite make it across the road. And now he's lunch for a couple of vultures and a pretty big crow, the way it looks. Maybe a raven.